Hello guys, welcome to another video on rstechsolutions. In today's video, we will see the tutorial on how to download your e-Aadhar card. As you all very well know, in today's digital age, it is increasingly important to have access to documents in a digital format that can be easily accessed and shared. The e-Aadhar card is a digital version of the physical Aadhar card that is issued by the Government of India officially. You no longer need to carry the physical card with you all the time, which can be lost, damaged or stolen. It is also considered a valid identification document for various official purposes. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to download your e-Aadhar card from the official government website. So let's get started. But before we start, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. To start, go to the Google search bar and enter uitai.gov.in and proceed. This will lead us to the official Government of India portal. On entering, choose your language and proceed. Close the ad and scroll down. Click on Aadhar services on the next page. Access the scroll down menu beside My Aadhar and click on Download Aadhar. On the next page, click on Login. Here, enter your Aadhar card number and enter the CAPTCHA. Now click on Resend OTP. One-time password will be sent to your registered mobile number. On receiving it, enter the OTP and click on Login. A new dashboard will open. Click on the first tab, Download Aadhar. It will display your Aadhar details. Below them, there will be a Download tab. Click on it. A new page will open and the download will be prompted on your browser. Click on Save to download. Congratulations, your e-Aadhar PDF has been downloaded. Now to access your e-Aadhar card, you will need a 8-digit password, which is the combination of the first 4 letters of your name and the year of your birth in 4Y format. You may notice the example provided there as well. And that's it. You are ready to access your Aadhar card. I hope this will help you. If you are satisfied with the tutorial, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will see you in another video shortly. Thank you for watching.